Are you a smoothie person, a soup person, or someone who just wants something that actually works without making a mess? When it comes to blenders, people usually want one of three things: power, convenience, or versatility. Whether you're blending smoothies, grinding spices, or just need a no-fuss daily driver, the right blender can make a big difference. Today we're comparing three standout models at different price points: the compact Nutribullet Pro 900, the upgraded Nutribullet Ultra Plus, and the sleek, countertop-ready Breville Fresh Furious. I'm Branson with Best Reviews. Let's see how they stack up. The Nutribullet Pro 900 punches above its weight. It handled greens and frozen fruit with no problem, though some protein powder stuck in the corners. We gave it an 8 out of 10. The Ultra Plus steps up with a stronger 1200 watt motor and titanium coated blades. Blends were quick and silky, and most finished under 90 seconds. It also scored an 8. The Breville Fresh Furious stood out with consistently smooth textures and excellent presets. Kale, ice, you name it, it handled them all. And that earned it a perfect 10 out of 10. The Pro 900 is dead simple. Twist, push, blend. No buttons, no presets. It's great for beginners, but there's no way to fine tune, so we gave it an 8 out of 10. The Ultra Plus adds 2 touch buttons, auto and pulse. They're responsive, but the layout can be confusing, and it limits blend times. That brought it down to a 7. The Breville finds the sweet spot. It has clear digital controls, presets for smoothies, ice crush, and more. Older models had vague icons, but newer ones use numbers. It earned a 9. All three are loud, but stable. The Pro 900 and the Ultra Plus both stayed and hovered in the 94 to 96 decibel range. We scored them 8s. The Breville was just as loud, but felt even more stable thanks to its heavier bass. It also earned an 8. The Pro 900 and the Ultra Plus 8 are both easy to rinse and dishwasher safe, though neither has a cleaning mode. Each scored an 8. The Breville takes the win here with an auto clean function. Just add water, a drop of soap, press a button, and rinse. It earned a perfect 10. The Pro 900 is compact and tough, but the lids feel a little flimsy. Great for solo use, so we scored it an 8 out of 10. The Ultra Plus offers more, like a food processor and spice grinder, but its sticky base made it tough to reposition. This also kept it at an 8 out of 10. The Breville felt the most premium. Sleek design, solid jar, and smart features like a built-in measuring cup lid helped it earn a full 10 out of 10. The Pro 900 is best for solo users or small kitchens. It's fast, portable, and easy to use. The Ultra Plus is for power users who want more than just smoothies, with extra containers and accessories in the full system. And the Breville is ideal for anyone who wants a stylish, all-purpose blender that's easy to clean and consistently performs. Want something simple and compact? Go with the Nutribullet Pro 900. Need more power and options? The Ultra Plus has you covered. Want the most consistent results and a premium design? The Breville Fresh and Furious is your winner. I'm Branson from Best Reviews. Let us know which one best fits your daily routine, and check the links below for all the latest prices. We'll see you next time.